Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health and watch out your diet and have exercise. Me, I try to diet and I try to go walking every Saturday, but it's hard to lose weight. It's easy to gain weight than to lose weight. My weight is I'm gaining my weight. I try to lose weight, but no, I don't know. Every Saturday, I try to go walking. If I won't be able to walk in the morning, I'll try to walk in the evening after our church service. When I go down in Alwada, the bus from Evangelical, when I go down in the bus, I'm walking from Alwada coming home. That's my walking. But the problem is my weight is still the same, or it's more gaining than lose weight. It's hard to lose weight. It's easy to gain weight than to lose weight. But the important is I'm still healthy, even though I try to diet and lose weight, but still the same. I become chubby, more chubby. Good night, guys. Sleep well and sweet dreams, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.